Hello everybody and welcome back to Wholesome Baking Time. Today I will be showing you where I scored an amazing bargain on a Gatsby. It's only...
Wait, I'm supposed to speak.
Oh sorry, my bad. Back to you.
This grocery store has an amazing star rate of 4.2 with over 1,000 reviews. It offers you a Russian or chicken Gatsby together with a 1.5 Coke Original for only R79.99. This special runs every Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays only. While it's always keen to know that there is enough stock being prepared, but it's always best to be an early bird in order to grab this delicious, amazing deal at your fingertips. There we have it. You can find this incredible deal at Pick n Pay Family Ganadal, located in Durbanville, northern suburbs of Cape Town. This amazing grocery store offers you this incredible deal, which one can't just simply resist. It's just so much goodness that, to even finish it on its own might be a struggle. It's a value-packed, family-priced, affordable package that's sure to have you dancing and hoping for more.
Nice one, Wholesome Baking Time.
That's it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned on the next one. See you. Bye.